Exercise 2.3. First question. Represent the following irrational numbers on the number line. Root 4.7 centimeter. This root 4.7 centimeter we represent in a number line. Okay. So here some steps are there. So first draw a line segment approximately 9 or 10 centimeter. Okay. So then mark a point A on it. So first draw a line segment approximately, mark a point A on it. Next mark a point B. Here 4.7. The question is root 4.7. So you take the measurement just 4.7. 4.7. Okay. So this point you mark it as B. So AB is 4.7 centimeter. Next BC as 1 unit, that is mark a point C. This is a point C such as BC is 1 centimeter. Okay. Next we find the perpendicular bisectors of AC. Do you know how to find the perpendicular bisector? This is AC. So this is, you take more than, this is AC, you take more than half of AC. So this is half of AC. So this is more than half of AC. Okay. So draw a line segment up and down. Then again keep the compass at C. Again draw an arc up and down. Okay. So now join this. This mark it as O. So O is the bisector of AC. Okay. Next. Now OC is equal to OA because O is the perpendicular bisector. So OA as radius, that is OA equal to OC as radius. We draw a semicircle. Okay, we draw a semicircle. Next, from B you draw a line perpendicular to AB. Okay, that point you mark it as D. So this is root 4.7 centimeter, but we mark it in a number line. So take the measurement of BD and you cut in the number line. So this as, you mark it as E. This point mark it as E. Okay. So now BE. BE is the required 4.7 centimeter. Join this also. Okay. First draw a line segment. Choose approximate 8, 9, 10 centimeter, anyone. Okay. Next, mark a point A on it. Mark a point B such that 4.7 centimeter. AB is 4.7 centimeter. Next, mark a point C such that BC is 1 centimeter. Okay. Next, take perpendicular bisectors of AC. That bisector you mark the point as O. Next, consider OA as radius. So OA is equal to OC. Keep the compass at O. Draw a semicircle. Okay. Next, from B draw a line perpendicular to AB. That point you mark it as D. Now BD is root 4.7 centimeter. So you take the measurement of BD, then cut an arc at a number line. So now BE as root 4.7 centimeter. Okay. Next, second question. Find any two irrational numbers between square root of 2 and square root of 3. Okay. So, we find first square root of 2 and square root of 3 by using long division method. So, first we find square root of 2. Okay. So, 2, I add 3 pairs of zeros. Okay. So, work out the calculations in the rough column. Okay. So, first 2, we take 2 means 1 ones are 1 because 2 twos are 4. So, we need not write 2. So, 1 ones are 1. Next, we add 2 zeros. Here, we multiply the quotient into 2. So, 1 into 2, 2. So, in the rough column, just I take 6. So, here I write 6 means here also I will write 6. So, you just multiply and check the answer. 6 into 26. 6 6 are 36. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15. So, again I will take 7. So, 7 7s are 49, balance 4. 7 2s are 14 plus 4 18. Next, suppose 8 means 8 8s are 64, balance to 8 2s are 16 plus 6. So, this 8 I will take means the answer is greater than 200. 7 also it will not come. Okay. So, then I will choose 4. Suppose 4 means, yes, 4 will come. 6, 7, 8 will not come. So, here the decimal point is there. So, here also put a decimal point. Then write 4. Here also 4. So, 4 into 24, 96. Okay. So, 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 0. Then again 2 zeros. So, 14 into 2. So, 28. Okay. In the rough column. See, these type of calculations, you do it, then only you can write here. Okay. You choose the nearest small number of these numbers. Okay. So, here it is. Suppose I take 2 means here also 2. So, 2 into 2, 82. 2 8s are 16. 2. So, it is greater than 400. So, we can't write 2. So, I will write 1. So, here also 1. So, 1 into 281. 281. Okay. So, 10 minus 1 9. 9 minus 8 1. 3 minus 2 1. Okay. Next 2 more zeros. So, again multiply the quotient into 2. So, 1 2s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 1 2s are 2. Okay. So, next. Suppose here I will take 5. Here also 5. So, 5 into 2, 8, 2, 5 means 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12, 1, 5 8s are 41, 41 balance, 5 2s are 10. So, 5 will not come. So, I will choose 4. 4 means 2, 8, 2, 4 means 4 4s are 16, balance 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9, 4 8s are 32, balance 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So, it will come. So, here I will write 4, here also 4. So, 4 into 2824, 11,296. 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 9, 0, 8 minus 2, 6. So, here itself I stopped. So, the answer for root 2 is 1.414 etc. The process will continue going on like this. Okay. Next, root 3. So, root 3. 3, I will take 3 pairs of zeros. So, here 1 ones are 2 because we can't take 2. 2 twos are 4. So, 1 ones are 1. 3 minus 1, 2. So, quotient into 2, 1 into 2, 2. Then the next decimal point. So, suppose I take 6 means 6 into 26. 6 6 are 36, 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 15. Suppose I will take 7 means 7 into 27. 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14 plus 4, 18. Okay. Next, here itself it is. So, 8 means 224. It is more than 200. So, we'll take 7. So, 7. Here also 7. So, 7 into 27, 189. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 1 minus 1, 0. Next, 2 more zeros. So, 17 into 2, 34. Okay. Here the decimal point is no need to represent. Okay. Decimal point is only the quotient. Next, suppose here take 4 means 4 into 3 44. 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17, 4 3s are 12 plus 1. So 4 will not come. So I choose 3. 3 43. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are, yes, 3 will come. So okay, 3 here also 3. So 3 into 3 43, 1029. 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 2 7, again 2 more zeros. Next multiply by 2. So 1.73 into 2, 2 3s are 6, 346. Okay. So here suppose I take 3 means 3 into 3 4 6 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s. So this will not come. So I choose 2. So 2 means 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, 2 3s are 6. Yes, 2 will come. So here itself 2. So 2 into 3 4 6 2, 6 9 2 4. Okay. Here itself I stopped. So the root 3, but the process will continue. Root 3 is equal to, you find 3 digits. The decimal digits 3 is enough. Okay. 1.732 etc. Therefore, any two irrational numbers between root 2 and root 3 is, you can write any two. For example, 1.41541115 41115 like this. Okay. One more, 1.525 5225 5225 etc. Okay. You can write any two numbers. Thank you.